Hello, வணக்கம் அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும். This is your Mohammed Shafiq and you're watching SHAFEEQ vlogs. ஒரு நிமிஷம் இன்ட்ரோ பார்க்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்பாய்லர் அலர்ட். அதாவது இந்த வீடியோ வந்து ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் இங்கிலீஷில் தான் இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ வெவ்வேறு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லோரும் வந்து இங்கிலீஷை ட்ரை பண்ணின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. ஸோ இன்னும் வரப்போகிற 5 வீடியோ இல்லைனா 4 வீடியோ இங்கிலீஷில் போடலாம், எந்தளவு ரீச் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்க்கலான்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த வீடியோ வந்து ஒரு 4-5 வீடியோ இங்கிலீஷ்லாம் இருக்கும். ஸோ please adjust with my English, it's a little bit weird. So that's it, now let's get started. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that it motivates me to make a lot of videos and fun contents. So today where we are heading is we are heading to Nakhal, a place called Nakhal, which is near Barka. So guys, nothing is there to talk about sitting in home, just blabbering about that place. So directly we'll leave home and that's it. So I'll show you in the car directly. So nothing is there to show, it's evenly just going out of home and getting down in the elevator, that's it. So I'll see you in the car directly. So guys, actually it is going to be a little bit weird seeing me talking in English. Actually my English is a bit horrible, but you can bear with me, no problem. So the weather is perfect for a perfect outing, so let's go. So guys, that's it guys, I'm getting out of home and mom and dad is coming, so it's time for us to move. It's already 11:10 it seems. So guys, all set. So let's move. Actually it is near maybe 250 kilometers up and 250 kilometers, maybe a 500 round trip, that's it. It is a freaking 29-degree outside. It's hot, actually it is very hot. It is actually means it is winter season, but still it is freaking hot outside. Bear that AC noise because it is too hot inside, so I have to raise the AC control. So guys, that's it, it's time for us to move and time is 11:13 and okay, we'll go. I'll see you in the road. Maybe I'll just show some time lapses and we'll go there directly. So guys, we took a break for praying Lohar and it's actually time is 12:35. So we started at home at something around 12 o'clock and 11:45 and it's now 12:35. It has been an hour. So we just took a break for a lower prayer and mom and dad is praying and actually prayed. So I thought that let's just let you know what is happening within the gap. So that's it, let's get going. The location actually, let me show you camera angle. Yes, I'll show you the location. Actually it is a hot spring, I didn't tell you, right? It is a hot spring coming from underground. It is hot water coming from mountain. Yes, the same exactly, fountain from the mountain, but it is hot water which is coming from underground. I'll show you. Before they used to let inside, but now it is locked. So this is that well or fountain or whatever you can say. This is the one which is coming from underground. Actually it's deep, it's quite deep, see. So this is hot spring actually. If they would have let me in, I would have taken the water in hand, but Okay, next time we'll see, no problem. So this is a well, this is actually hot water. It is hot spring, which is coming from the underground. So guys, this is the hot spring. Actually it is closed now. Before and all it was open. We used to go inside. There's a staircase inside, right inside, so we can get in and we could see, but now it is locked with this thing, this steel thing, so we could not go inside. So guys, there are places here to just, you can come and bath here. So these are all the places. It's like completely natural. I'll show you the place for bathing. This section is completely for bathing. I'll show you. This is an area for one person to bath. Actually, this water is also drinkable, so we can drink this. See, this is a place for bath, and this is the water which is coming from the spring, hot spring. It's going to agriculture. See, this is the old canal. Yeah, it is splitting here. So this side also there for home, and for this is
the partition.
Agriculture.
This is the partition for this channel and this channel.
Okay.
And whenever the water they required, no, they open this channel.
They'll open this, and they'll take water from here. No
Yes,
problem.
from here. And this will go to.
This is go for further agriculture process. So guys, that's it for this place. This place is actually called Rustaq. This is Rustaq, and this is Rustaq hot spring. And the next destination which we are going is Nakhal. That is also the same, but exactly it is. We can see that water coming from the mountain. A small hole, the water will come. People will bath there, and that is a good place to chill actually. So I'll see you there. Peace out. So guys, actually we took lunch break. Actually we came to this place. It is somewhere near, in the middle of the destination. So we had good lunch. So that's it. Time is, it's 3. It's gonna be 3 in 5 minutes. So it's 2:55. So we are just we are having lunch, and let's go. Actually my English is a bit bad. Actually very bad. So just bear with me with my English. So okay, let's go after having lunch. So this is the place we are having lunch. So guys, now we are done with lunch, and it's time for us to get moving to the next destination. Have reached the place called Nakhal. So just now we reached. I'll show you the place around. First see, then we'll talk. So this is the place called Nakhal. This is the water coming from the mountain, and it is the hot water actually. So guys, actually we reached the place, and the fountain which comes from the mountain, actually the water which comes out of mountain is actually hot. If you touch it, then you can feel it actually. So guys, that is a hole which water comes out. So the water which comes out of the fountain, it's sorry, the mountain, it is hot. It is also a hot spring, like we saw in the last video. This is a place. That's it, and the trip is coming to an end now. Time is, it's gonna be 6.5 hours. So that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and peace.